Hey everyone, welcome for another video, Improving Java Programming. Okay, the first things I would like to discuss about improving Java programming is understanding the basics. So before diving into the complex coding concepts, it is essential to have a solid understanding of the basics. Start with learning the syntax and the grammar of the language and then move on to the understanding the data types, variables, operators and control structures. This could be very useful. uh, Thereafter I would advise you to practice code. There are a lot of online portals. You can use any IDE in your local. Practice makes perfect. Writing as much as code you can and keep practicing to improve your coding skills. You can start with the small programs, then move on to the more and more complex projects. Practice makes man perfect. A third thing I would like you to advise, read and learn from others' code. It is very important. Everything can't be reinvent. You can always take a reference, read and study others people's code to get an idea of how they solve problems and write efficient code. This can be a great way to learn new concepts and techniques. You'll save a lot of time, lot of time. Apart from that, I would advise you use online resources because there are a lot of informations that you may have to use it and that gets updated frequently. There are many online resources available to help you learn Java, including tutorials, blogs, and forums. You can subscribe my channel as well. Use them to your advantage to expand your knowledge and get answer to your questions. You can subscribe my channel for more videos like that. Debugging is very essential for that. Learn how to debug. Learn debug the existing working functionalities to know the flow. Debugging is crucial part of the programming process. When you encounter an error, take the time to understand the problem and debug the code to find the solutions. Don't jump straight to the problem. Just understand how it is working, what is it expected, and where it is failing. Keep up updates. Yeah, this is very important. Java is evolving language with the new updates and features being added regularly. Keep update with the latest updates to stay on the top of the latest trends and best practice. It is very important to update yourself in Java. Yeah, well, another important thing is writing readable code. You may have to come back again always, so it is very important you to write. So it is essential to write a readable code that is easy to understand and maintain. Use meaningful variables names, avoid lengthy and complex code blocks, and comment your code to make it easier for others to read and understand. One important thing is you can always learn from mistakes. You can do mistakes, but don't repeat. You'll innovatively make mistakes while coding. Learn from those mistakes and use them as an opportunity to grow and improve your coding skills. That could be very useful for you. Okay, you can always join different Java communities, join Java developer communities, attend meetups or conference, and participate in online forums to learn from experienced Java developer. You'll get a lot of hints, tips, some quick hacks in the Java. So always attend those activities. There are a lot of frameworks in Java. So I advise you to learn about the Java application development frameworks such as Spring and Hibernate and how they can be used to simplify the development process. It will be very useful. It will help you to write a lot of codes and debug very, very efficiently. Yeah. And there are a lot of development tools, ID like Eclipse, IntelliJ, NetBeans. So get familiar with those Java development tools such as Eclipse or IntelliJ as I told, and learn how to use them effectively to write, compile, and debug the Java code. That will save a lot of time for you, and you'll learn a lot of tips, shortcuts, and the running the test, writing the unit test, generate auto code, lot of things. Thank you very much for watching the videos.